Hey, what's up everybody? It's Stacey Storino. Welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for entrepreneurs who want their content marketing to convert content consumers into paying customers. You might have heard that getting more engagement on Instagram is super important, since the Instagram algorithm will pick up that piece, of content, and the more engagement you get, the more your current followers are likely to have that piece of content suggested in their feed. And the more engagement a piece of content gets, especially when it's well optimized, the more likely it is that it could be picked up on the Explore tab or page too. Wait, you didn't know all that? Well, that's true. Regardless, you're here because you want a good tip in terms of how to increase your engagement on Instagram in connection with your content, right? That being the case, in this video, I'm going to share with you an Instagram engagement tip for 2021. But wait, before we go any further, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get the help that entrepreneurs like you need to succeed with content marketing that drives traffic to your business so that you could do more business. Speaking of the Instagram algorithm and getting your content properly optimized piece by piece, I recently did a video entitled Tip to Get on Instagram's Explore page. So if you missed that video, you might want to check that one out after you're done watching this video. But for now, let's dive into a good Instagram engagement tip for 2021, the tag trick. So a way to boost discoverability on Instagram is to be tagged by another Instagrammer or user on the platform. And that can help you to be seen by more people who already follow you, as well as people who aren't following you yet, but should nonetheless. For example, if someone tags your account in their posts or even in a piece of their Instagram story content, others will be able to see that tag and click on it to click through to your profile. That, of course, could lead to you getting more followers, more email list opt-ins, because you should be using your website link in your bio, not for your website, but as a lead capture device instead, meaning for your email opt-in form link instead. And hey, you might just get more people buying your goods and or services too. Increasing your visibility on the Instagram platform is key to getting these aforementioned macro conversions that are key for your business to succeed. How does this tag trick work then? You can encourage people to tag you in their photos of your products or while they're enjoying a service of yours, that sort of thing. But you ethically bribe them to do so by adding that if they do that, you'll feature them in your posts on your Instagram account too. Whether you share their posts in your Instagram feed versus your Instagram stories or both is up to you. You could even consider creating a highlight just for customer content, and then they have a chance at making it into that collection of story content, which will hang around far longer than the typical piece of story content does, making your offer even harder for them to resist. Make sure that when you republish their UGC or user-generated content, as we in the marketing sphere call it, that you tag them, mention them, and in any way credit them and give them kudos, because then they're more likely to do it again in the future, and others will be more likely to do it whether you specifically ask them to or not in the future. Everyone on Instagram enjoys attention, whether they're entrepreneurs like you or not. Not only will this tip help you get increased engagement and hopefully improve treatment by the Instagram algorithm, but it'll help you to create a slowly but surely growing group of brand enthusiasts who are more likely to give you the conversions your business needs to succeed, and even more likely to bring other people into the fold of account followers too. There's nothing like getting the support of multiple zealous brand advocates. Let me tell you, the best part about being in business is enjoying a community of people who support your brand as you help to support them in their life's goals with the products and or services that you create to serve people just like them. It's one big happy brand family with lots of engagement that makes the Instagram algorithm happy too. And when Instagram's happy, you're going to be happy with an ever-improving presence on the platform. It's a win-win-win. There you have it. This is my answer when it comes to giving you a good Instagram engagement tip for 2021. Need more help? Be sure to check out these two awesome videos too, because they'll teach you great content marketing strategies that can also help to blow up your business. Enjoy.